Hey everybody, welcome to week 2 of hybrid learning. It was so great meeting all of you last week and getting started with communication arts. I'd like you to take a look at this week's Week at a Glance. So far, I'll show you Tuesday and Wednesday's work, and then I will put another video in Google Classroom for your Friday classwork. So on Tuesday, the at-home learners, you are going to read an article about how texting may be ruining our writing, and then you're just going to write your ideas in the box. And then you're going to watch an instructional video about email etiquette so that you'll watch the video, go through the slide presentation, you'll get started with it on Tuesday, and then finish it on Wednesday. I'm also going to put an independent writing project assignment in Google Classroom, and I just want you to take a look at it. One of the things I'd also like you to do on Tuesday is go back and take a look at some of those Flipgrid videos. Watch other kids' videos, think about what they read, what did they write, and what did you like about it? What would you have liked to have seen more of or heard more of? Because we're going to be giving each other feedback quite a bit when we have writing partners this semester. All right, so let's learn a little bit about the texting assignment.
We're going to get started. You're going to go into Google Classroom and you're going to pull up the presentation is Texting Ruining Our Writing. And before you get started on the article, I want you to think about this before you read. This is what I think, and I want you to fill in this box that says, this is what I think before reading the article. And then you are going to read the article, is Texting Ruining Our Writing. And you are going to, if you want audio support, you can press right here where you see that little icon. And you can hear Dr. Green. She's our audio support on this article. And then you are going to, and in addition, if you'd like to read the Spanish version, you can read the Spanish version as well. And then what I want you to do is after the article, I want you to think, well, now what do I think? Having listened and read both sides. And the reason why we picked this article is we think it really lends itself to what we're talking about today, which is going to be email etiquette. And so many people think that the environmental print, that's a word used to describe the things that you read in your environment, has changed so much that it has hindered writing. So I'm just so curious what you think. Okay, so that is part 1. Next thing we're going to do is talk specifically about email etiquette.
Welcome back, learners. Let's take a look at this email etiquette assignment. Etiquette is a noun that means the customary code of polite behavior in society or among members of a particular profession or group. As you go through this assignment, I want you to think about these 2 essential questions. What is email etiquette, and how can using proper email etiquette help a student succeed? Take a look at this example of a student email. This is an actual student email sent to one of the teachers in 6th grade. Tell me why my grade is low in the essay. I really like your class because you're funny. Well, let me know because I'm a really good student and I need an A in your class. All right, so there are some things to take a look at here. First of all, can we identify the message, audience, and purpose in this email? What is the message? Is it that the student really likes this class, or that the student wants an A, or maybe the student wants some feedback to how to maybe rewrite that essay or fix it? Who's the audience? Well, we think it's a teacher. We don't know which one. And what's the purpose here? Is it to entertain, inform, persuade? What is the purpose of this email message? Write at least 3 problems you see with the email, and they might be related to message, audience, or purpose, or they might be related to what you actually read in the message. Take a look at student email number 2. I want you to read this one yourself. And then on the next slide, you're going to take notes and identify the message, the audience, and the purpose. And then on the next slide, you're going to write at least 3 positive things about this email message. And you'll do the same thing with student email number 3. Read that one on your own and then identify the message, audience, and purpose. Then write at least 3 positive things about this email message. Then you're going to go back and actually answer these 2 essential questions. What is email etiquette? Can you explain? And how can using proper email etiquette help you succeed as a student? Now, this is what you're going to be working on Wednesday, the next couple of slides. Again, reminder of what etiquette is. You are going to pick one of the scenarios below and write an email on slide 12 that demonstrates your understanding of email etiquette. Maybe you have an actual email you're going to send to a teacher. I've received quite a few emails from students already, so maybe you can make it really authentic. And here's some things that you should always include in your email: a clear subject line, address the teacher appropriately, write what hour you have this teacher's class, write if you are an A or a B student, explain your purpose and reason for your email, and stick to the point. Don't make it too long. Use punctuation, be respectful, and have a closing. Here is where you can put it. If you want to practice on paper first, you can do that, but when you type, you can always fix it. So that little practice email is your Wednesday assignment. I hope you have fun with it, and I hope that you use these tips when you are sending emails to your teachers. Thanks a lot. All right. On Wednesday, you will see this assignment in Google Classroom called the 6th grade writing project. And this will be an independent project you work on Wednesdays and your at-home days. And I just want you to take a look at it on Wednesday and start thinking about what your project is going to be about. There'll be more information about this in our Friday video. All right, thanks a lot, kiddos. I'll see you soon. Have a great week. Bye-bye.